Alright, got him, gang. Today, we're going to be making a rod caddy. You know how it is when you're toting 3 and 4 rods and trying to get them to where you're going. They get tangled up, the lines get tangled up. So today, we got a solution to that problem. The PVC pipe. Alright, to make this rod caddy, you will need 4 10-inch pieces of PVC pipe, 1.5 inch, 4 1-inch pieces, and 1 23.5 inch to make this particular caddy. Now you can do the dimensions the way you want to. This is just the way I done it. A drill, some screws, and possibly a torch. Alright, first off, you got to mark your holes where you want to put your screws in at. And get them drilled out or punched out. And put one at 2 inches. And I'll put one at 3.5 inches. So, let's put one at 1 inch. Put one at 1 inch and one at 3 inches. 1 inch and 3 inch. So we got all 4 of those marked and ready to go. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take this torch and we're going to heat up the screwdriver. We're going to take this hot screwdriver and we're going to push it straight down. My screw trying to jump all over the place while I'm trying to get it in. Then we're going to take our long pole here, line up this here. And put us a screw in that bad boy. Okay. Alright, then you should have something that looks like this. And put them together. Yeah. You're going to take these and you're going to attach them up here like so. The good thing about plastic, when you heat it up, you can bend it. Alright. Heater's up. Heater's up a little bit. Let's see how I do that. I'll do it like this here. Go right on the edge. screwdriver right there on the edge. Okay, should be hot enough. Bet she's hot enough now. Come on, baby. Bend on over there, baby. Bend on over there. You'll have to stagger them when you put them up here. You put one here, one there, and then you'll drop down and put one there and one there. So, all right, let's get this thing painted up. Alright everybody, that's it for today. Hope you like this DIY. If you like it, make sure you hit like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we upload new video content. See you later. Whoop!